in Mont-Sainte-Anne. Today we're gonna watch XC race.
Despite the thunder last night, the weather get better. However, I wasn't expected that XC race is gonna be that much mess. Let's watch the race together. Today there are 3 XC races.
Yeah, one is under 23, female.
Then elite female and male.
The races are about to start. My race has also started. To get the good spot, I have to run. Those moto guys are leading the race. This rocky section tends to get crazy, especially on the first lap. It's a tech section, and also everyone packed together. Junior women are having trouble. Even elite women are having trouble. How about elite men? Wait for it. XC race is not only fun to watch downhill, but also uphill, especially when they are competing really close to each other. Watching them suffering makes me really emotional. Not only they do technical climbing, they also do a big drop. Oh, this section. Even the moto guy looks nervous. The winner is coming back to the goal. I was not interested in XC races before, but today I realized that XC races are quite entertaining. When I could see the agony in their face, I was in tears. When they passed other riders, I was so excited. I felt like we were riding together.
Mesdames et messieurs, Pauline
The trails were quite technical than I expected, and they were riding with XC bikes without dropper post. I'm not gonna do that. Great thanks to all riders for sharing the experience, and I hope you enjoy the video.
So tomorrow it's gonna be downhill race. I hope the weather is nice like today. Okay, see you tomorrow. Stay on tune.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.